Last time in this garden, we were just planting it, which is always an exciting time. We're back. It's about 6 weeks later. We want to show you how the garden's doing, and we've got some tips for you. Overall, the garden's looking really good. The plants are healthy. I'm beginning to see some growth, but not a lot of growth on top, and that's important. It's real important in the first year you let the plants establish their roots. Roots first, top second. Keep that in mind, so keep the fertilizer to a fairly light hand and use more slow release organic products, and try to avoid something with high nitrogen, which is that first number. When you see something like 15, 10, 10, that first number is nitrogen. Keep that low because that pushes the top. So remember, roots first, top second. Something we get asked a lot with young roses is how much should I trim them or should I prune them in their first year? My philosophy is no. Let them grow on their own. Let them establish their own size. Let them establish their own shape. Then in the second year, you can do some pruning. You can certainly deadhead, take the old flowers off, shape them a little bit, but let them grow to the size they want to be in their first year. We'll be back in a few more months to check out this garden, see how it's doing, and give you another look at it. But in the meantime, keep in mind, watch your plants. If you have any trouble, be sure to call our call center. They're ready to help you in any way they can. For more information and get your custom garden design, be sure to check us out at www.jacksonandperkins.com.